Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones JBL Tune 760. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. So go to the Bluetooth, and if it's turned off, just turn on your Bluetooth and click on your headphones at the device list. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, press and hold power button to turn off your headphones for at least 2 seconds. Here we go, and after that, press and hold power button again to turn on it, and it will reconnect to your phone. Here we go, so we should have connection also. If it also didn't help you, sorry, we should remove and add these headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device, and after that these headphones should enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. Okay, so this time it don't want to enter pairing mode automatically, so what we should do, we should press and hold power button to turn off your headphones, and after that press and hold power button to turn on your headphones. And now it should enter to pairing mode. Click on your headphones, and again we have connection. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to press and hold volume up button would have a plus icon and volume down button would have a minus icon at the same time until your headphones is turned off. Here we go. Now we should remove these headphones from the phone, so information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Don't forget to click pair new device in your Android, and after a factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!